time for my second practice flight here in Brazil. We didn't fly yesterday because we had the opening ceremony, and as you guys probably saw my landing in the last video, I kind of bended my upright a little bit, so I'm gonna change that first. Then we set up and get flying. It looks like a bunch of people here already again, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Last little practice, and then tomorrow you rest, and then Wednesday the games are starting, something like that. So that's my upright, and not sure if you can see it, but I got a slight little dent here, and it's just slightly bended. It's not bad, but it needs to be changed, so let's do that really quick. Glider set up, I'm all ready to go. Most people are already in the air flying, so I didn't really film much B-roll stuff from the ground today. I think it's more important to get in the air and get a little more practice in, and just, you know, get nice and loose and ready for the comp. So, GoPro mode.
I hope my new microphone works. I broke the other one yesterday, but let's go flying. really fun, but next time I'll definitely fix my VG rope because it's not much fun flying with no rope. Woo!
My first flight to the Esplanada, and the entire flight with no VG. God, it's so stunning here. It's so cool to fly over the city and just glide right into the city, right into the capital of Brazil. A bunch of people made it today. I think most people just flew straight. I saw some people flying zigzag around, but it's all practice. 2 more days and the real deal starts. Let's see what other pilots say about today.
It was good until I started kicking cans for about 30 kilometers from G7. Yeah, so I was a bit frustrated for a while, but I made it, so I should be happy.
Hey man, how was today?
Very nice day, yeah.
So let's see what the problem was with my rope. So when I was standing in the frame, I noticed that there's one rope. Let me focus. Went around the pulley here, but I couldn't get my finger in there in the air. So I ended up pulling a rope around here. And then I had the rope like this, and I was able to pull and get the rope out of the pulley. But that was not the problem. The problem's somewhere in the upright, so we need to break down and check that out. So I just pulled out my corner bracket of my upright, and I found out just maybe half of the rope was stuck right on that corner here between the upright and the corner bracket, and that's why it was stuck. So what are we learning from this mistake? Always pull on your rope and check your VG rope before you take off, and don't just change it upright and take off and assume you know what you're doing. Well, it was just a practice day, so not bad, and now we can relax tomorrow and just have a chill day. I have to fix a couple of things on the cameras and my harness, and then we're just gonna hang out at the pool. I'm not gonna film anything. I'm gonna do the editing from today's video and tomorrow, and then I see you guys on day 1 of the 2017 World Hang Gliding Championship here in Brazil. So see you guys in 2 days.